Hi guys, my name is Nonima Digela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about the Sinago issue on the Senzo Meyiwa case and Zungu's evidence. Constable Zungu came 2023, September 2023, sorry, September 2023, and told the court that go 2014, there was a man by the name of Sinago who was shot and killed, who was shot by Ukwabini. That's what he told the court in 2023. All right, sharp. He says that. Now, today, Umalo was busy with his cross-examination. Bravo to him, Tohwana. Oh, I like how they are meticulous. They are doing the things. They are dealing with attention to detail. They are dealing with attention to detail. They are doing attention to detail. We are much attention to detail. They are so spot on. They are dealing with attention to detail on all the things that were not dealt with during the state case and during what they tried within the trial. Manje, they take step by step, ask relevant questions, dismantle the state case, destroy the state case. I love it. They are banning the state case. They are banning Zungu from whatever hell he is at right now. He's banning them because his lies are crumbling right in front of the entire courtroom, in front of my lord, in front of the state team, in front of the defense, in front of the accused. Everything is crumbling now. His lies, they are short legs. They are unable to walk now. Those short legs are unable to walk. Those Zungu short legs of lies, those lies, they can't walk. They are refusing to walk. They are like, I'm very short for this road. I can't, please, we need to Ganda Zohambalana. Even Uganda is unable to assist. Uganda is unable to assist to revive the lives of Zungu. Ganda can't assist. This is what happened. So Umalo, as he was busy doing his cross-examination, he comes through and he's asking questions. Do you know Snago? He says, yes. How do you know Snago? I'm not going to do them in chronological order, guys. How do you know Snago? Snago is my brother, Wasekaya. What's his surname? Sibiya. My goodness. He is also a Sibiya. He is also a Sibiya, Snago. He's Snago Sibiya. When did Snago die? 2017. Hi, Bo. And we are like, excuse you, didn't Zungu say 2014? Okay, sharp, okay. Tanis Mamel. While we were listening, he comes through at 2017, go Good Friday, Easter weekend, 2017. That was his first shooting. He did not die. He went to hospital, Kwanongoma. He was still in high school at the time. These are the details now we are getting. He was still in high school. I think he was doing grade 11 at the time. This is Muzi saying all of this. He's like, he called the high school name that he was studying at in 2017. He was staying at Kwanongoma at the time. And then he says, also, oh my God, I was like, come here, Numalo, let me you, because I love what you are dealing with here. And I guess even if Zungu was watching, he was like, but wait, he can't be. What did he think is going to happen when the time comes for the accused? Because we are talking about brother Wake in a way. Even if we cousin, Wagwabo. And then he says, yeah, he was shot on 2017 Good Friday, and he was in hospital, Kwanongoma. So I'm like, so we do have hospital Kwanongoma. That means we can get documents from Kwanongoma. But guess what? If they did not get the documents, they better send someone to go and get them now, today still. There's someone that needs to go Kwanongoma to get those details. You know why? Because Ukininda is going to go Kwanongoma. uGinikini is gonna go there kwaNongoma ayofuna ezo zinto esibhedlela ngokwakhe. Because why am I saying that? Because uGininda once went around to look for Dr. Mbatsane after Mgomezulu spoke about it, Dr. Mbatsane, without anyone asking him to. He came back to tell us, I was busy looking for Dr. Mbatsane. I hope they have those details at KwaNongoma Hospital. I hope so. Oh my God, I hope they have those details. I hope they do. Because if they don't, uGininda is going to get them first. We know what happens after. So, in a nutshell, Zungu lied about Sinako's shooting. Sinako was shot in 2017, not 2014. Zungu lied. Zungu, the liar, did what he does best, lying. Imagine we said he was lying then without having the side of the story. Sika accused number one. Oh, Uzungu. Uzungu. And then, nanko kuJudge Ratu yamazi qhumpu wathi qhumpu waxhuma ngathi sithi siqhuma singene esibeni siyoqhuba jwa qhumpu ngathi uzawudada wathi uZungu wayethe uSinako wadutshulwa kubuzwe iquestion wadutshulwa ngubani wathi yena uyayazi indaba yokudutshulwa kwakhe wadutshulwa ngubani wathi cha akayazi. He said he doesn't know who shot uSinako Muzi Sibiya said so. And then uJudge Ratha comes in and say, no, uZungu watsho apha wathi ba udutshulwe nguGwabini. Akazange atsho ubuza kuMuzi. Umuzi uthi ya wayetshilo, that's his evidence. Xa efuna ucontinue Unfairness comes through, Mr. Unfairness loads it and says, no, I don't want to argue with you. He never said he was arguing. He wanted to say, yes, he said so, Uzungu, but I was not part of that situation, so I don't know. All I know is that he was shot, get Good Friday. We were home, Emakaya, at the time. But Judge Ratha was like, I'm not interested, guess what? He was not interested in hearing Kalalkas Kamuzu uthi why ethi akayazi. Uzoyazi kanjani ungakhange udubule mntu? Kaloku yena uZungu mhlambe wayekhona ngoku when it was happening. Because uGwabini kwaZungu. So inoba wayekhona ngoku when Sinako was getting shot. Oh, uJudge Ratha, guys. But nonetheless, I don't want to focus a lot on Judge Ratha. I want to focus on one thing. Nxumalo did what needed to be done there. That was my highlight of today's cross-examination of him. When he dealt with the Sinako issue and asked when did he die, when was he shot, was he in, what was he doing, was he in Gauteng, ever he was KwaNongoma when it happened, and all of that I was so appreciative of how he asked those questions, dealt with that detail to prove that Zungu lied. The bottom line in all of this is that Mr. Zungu, you are a liar. You are a liar. You lied. You twisted the events. You took the events of 2017, put them through 2014 because you had a narrative. And then Nxumalo is asking Muzi, kanti uZungu ukufunani why ezoxoka ngawo uthandiyazi? Did you know him? I didn't know him in 2014. I only knew him in 2017. And then, back then, I didn't know who he was, kahle kahle. I only, for sure, when I was formally introduced, it was 2019. Oh, uZungu. Kazubazonde nabantwana babantu. And then he asked, do you know Absalom Nhlanhla? I don't know the name. What yebo ngiyazi ubaba kaZungu, it's Zungu's father. I knew of that because when we were introduced in 2019, I was told ukuthi uzalwa ngubani who gave birth to him. I never had a conversation with Mr. Senior Zungu about the death of Senzo because I knew nothing about the death of Senzo. Yo! Histories kamuzi, guys, see simple, see straightforward. Akangingizi because he ain't lying there. He's not ngingizing. He says what needs to be said. I like that about his story. It's straightforward. What was the best part of today's cross-examination for you? Let's talk with comment section. I want to hear your views. I want to hear your thought process. I want to hear what you felt like, wow, it stood out for you. What stood out for you today? What was the highlight for you today? I want to hear your views, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.